How to log in to Netspend employee account. If you were a customer, you can easily log into Netspend by going to netspend.com. However, if you are an employee, you have to go ahead and do it in a different way. You have to search for NetChecks. So right here you will find NetChecks, that is HR and payroll management solution. Go ahead and tap on it. In here, you have to go ahead and tap on login, which is at the very top. So go ahead and do that. Enter your username, then tap on sign in or punch out. If you have forgotten a password, simply tap on forgot password. If you are new, tap on new user and firstly enter the verification code that your employer has given to you. Then tap on next, in which you have to go ahead and input your personal information as well as the company that you work for. Now, NetChecks is a comprehensive payroll and human resources management system designed for business of all sizes. It streamlines payroll processing, benefits administration, time tracking, and employee management tasks, offering efficiency and compliance in HR operations. And NetChecks is exactly how you will be logged into your Netspend if you are an employee. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.